My name is Chris, and I work as a maintenance technician at AM&S. As a maintenance technician, I am responsible for all the equipment in the steel manufacturing process. My typical day involves making repairs to broken mechanical machinery, such as changing crop shear blades, or changing hydraulic hoses, manufacturing hydraulic hoses, fixing leaks, wear tables, anything in the manufacturing industry. Today we're working in the slit line hot mill, which is where they manufacture steel for the customers. Tomorrow we could be on cranes or anywhere else that the mill deserves our needs. 90% of the time, this job has a very low stress level. There are some times when machinery is broken and needs to be brought up so the company doesn't lose money. The importance of getting machinery running again is very high. We have to get on the job depending on how many hours, miss lunches a few times, miss breaks a few times. A typical work week for central maintenance employees is Monday through Thursday from 6 to 4:30. Sometimes we come in early, sometimes we leave a little late. We have been called in on the weekends for breakdowns when manufacturing has come to a halt. We have worked as many as 16 hours in one day. The good thing about being a mechanical technician is that no college is required. With experience in mechanical, wherever you get it from can be brought to AM&S and make a great living. I've been here 3 years, but I had a prior experience in mechanical background. So you gotta have a high school diploma, but you don't have to have a degree to become a mechanical technician. Some good traits to have in this industry is the ability to listen more than you talk. Pair it with an old man, he usually knows the tricks of the trade. The younger guys, they're still in the learning process. Listen, read, study, pay attention, and you'll do fine in this job. The best part about being a mechanical technician is that you're not bound to one place. You can move to whatever company, whatever part of the world you want to move to. Another great aspect is that you make a great living. And you can spend time with your family, you can teach your children stuff. My last job didn't afford me that. I would work 21 days and be home for 21 days. That's not worth any amount of money. The worst part about being a maintenance technician is the long hours and you're always in the weather. It could be hot, it could be cold, it could be raining. But if something's broke, you have to get in and fix it. Mostly for the job, it's pretty safe. We look out for one another. Communication is key. We come to equipment that'll be non-running but broken. We'll have to speak with operators to find out what's going on, what the characteristics of the equipment is, and what happened. Therefore, we can try to eliminate the problem later. If you can't work hard and you can't do what you're told, I don't believe that the maintenance field is for you. There will be long hours and strenuous labor. I've been in the working force for 27 years. I've seen lots of people take jobs that had no future. To be a crane operator inside of a mill, which may not hold up at another place. To be a mill operator at a steel mill would not benefit you at a paper mill. But if you're a mechanic or an electrician or a forklift driver or a heavy equipment operator, that's a skill that can be anywhere. You are not bound to one place making one set dollar. I would say get a trade, learn your trade, and stick within your trade.